All right, so this one's going to be on how to get rich in 5 minutes. This is not a trick. This is a real tutorial on how to get rich in 5 minutes. You don't need to do any investments. You don't need to buy any quick rich schemes. I'm going to show you right now how to get rich in 5 minutes. That's all it takes. It's really simple. All you need is your cell phone or a computer. And I'm going to show you right now how you do it. 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes and I'll turn you into a rich person. Ready? All you need to do is open your browser and do a quick search for children in poverty. Look at this. Look at this child right here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at these kids. How they're living. All right? I want you to take a look at this face right here. Look at the anguish in that little girl's face. Look at her brother. Look at the face on that kid. Look at his feet, bro. Look at this kid's feet. All right? Look at her feet. Look at her sandals. Look at the floor they're living on. Where's the PlayStation 5? Where's the refrigerator here? Where's the light? You think they have electricity here? It doesn't look like it. Looks like she's covering her face from the sun. Look at her hair. You think that little girl's taking a shower in the last week? You think she's taking a shower in the last month? How about 2 months? I don't think so, bro. I don't think so, bro. Let's go to the next one. All right? Check it out. Look at this neighborhood right here. What do you think about that walkway? Look at those doors. You got doors in your house, man? How does your door look compared to these people right here? How are we doing? How are we doing right now? Just go ahead. Do the search. Children in poverty. Go to images. Let's check it out. Is this you right here? Is this how you're living? Look at that kid's plate. Where do you think he lives? Let's go to the next one. Look at that. Let's keep going. Look at this child right here. Is this how you're living right now? Are you poor? Are you like this? Compare yourself. Compare yourself to this guy right here. Look at his feet, man. Look at this. Look at his shirt. All right. Look at this scenario here. You see, we get things twisted sometimes. All right. 5 minutes. Do it. Don't cringe. Spend 5 minutes looking at these pictures. Look at the surroundings. Compare this habitat to yours right now. Right now where you're at, where you think you're poor. I want you to compare yourself to this person right here. Imagine waking up and this is your life. Imagine you look at your brother or your sister and you don't have a mom or a dad. This is all you got right here. This is you. I want you to compare your life to this person. And after 5 minutes, I want you to ask yourself, how do you compare to these people? Guess what? You just became rich in 5 minutes. Because compared to these people, you're a millionaire. You know why? Just because you don't have the latest phone, just because you don't have a car, just because you don't have a PlayStation 5, you think you're poor? You think you're poor because you're comparing yourself to the wrong people. You see, when you go online and you try to find, how can I become a millionaire, or how do I make money from my phone, or how do I do this, or how do I do that? You're going to see the people on there and you're going to compare yourself to the wrong people. Listen up, man. You're richer. You are richer than 90% of the world. This is how people live today. This is today. People are living like this in reality right now. If you think you're poor and you look at these pictures, I guarantee you that you're not going to feel poor anymore. 5 minutes, man. Take 5 minutes and look at these pictures. I was talking to this lady at work today, and I said, "Hey, how you doing today?" And she's like, "Oh, I'm trying to get out of poverty." And I looked at her and I said, "You are trying to get out of poverty?" I'm sorry, man, I couldn't contain myself. I had to show her these pictures. She was a Cuban woman. And I asked her, "When did you ever have what you have today? When you were in Cuba?" Compare yourself. Look at your life. Look at everything that you have, and you think you're poor? She felt really stupid. And I think she may not have meant to say that she was literally trying to get out of poverty. But guys, the look on her face was of anguish. And many times we forget where we are and the things that we have. And we compare ourselves with people on Facebook. And we compare ourselves with people on Instagram. We compare ourselves to the wrong people. We have to look at ourselves. And we have to realize that we have all the tools that we need to live extremely comfortable compared to these people that I just showed you in this video. Now you tell me, 5 minutes, aren't you richer than you thought you were? Aren't you extremely comfortable compared to these people that I showed you in these pictures? Of course you are. So when you start searching on YouTube, or you start searching on the internet on how to get rich, how to become rich, how do rich people do it, remember, you're light years ahead of 90% of the world. And compare yourself to them, and you'll see quite clearly and quite readily that you are not poor. You may be poor in your thoughts, but you're not poor in your situation, in your living conditions. Poverty of mind is a real thing for a lot of Americans. And that's what the change needs to happen. You need to stop being poor in your thoughts. Change that, and you'll achieve your goals. And you'll realize that all you need to do is just change your mind. And all of a sudden, it'll take you 5 minutes, and you'll be rich. Stop comparing yourself to the grotesque riches that people show off online. And remember that we are really, really lucky to be living in the times that we're living, to be living in the country that we're living in. And I'm speaking to Americans, and most of my viewers are probably American. And remember that if you're a healthy person, you have no excuse to not be making yourself into a better, putting yourself into a situation where you can make yourself a better person. I'm not talking about money, man. I'm talking about your poverty of mind. Because the moment you stop being poor in your mind, and that's the moment you turn into a wealthy person in your thoughts.